This is Nawaz Kochra joining you on Indian Express screen, and I am here in conversation with the very amazing Zaid Darbar. Hello Zaid, welcome back.
थैंक यू फॉर दैट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. थैंक यू.
कैसे लग रहा है?
अरे बहुत मस्त लग रहा है. बहुत
Okay.
अजीब भी लग रहा है.
I know 6 weeks in confinement, उसके बाद बाहर आना.
बढ़िया लग रहा है मुझे. ऑनेस्टली बोलूं, बीवी बच्चों को मिला हूँ, सबसे
Yes.
बात की घर में. बट मैं बाहर नहीं आ पा रहा अभी तक दिमाग से.
Okay.
हाँ, I'm still inside.
Mentally still in alliance.
My mental state is still inside, but my body is outside.
Of course.
Like I'm missing everybody.
You know, I have to say very well played. When on the show you missed your family,
Yeah.
broke down, that was one of the most, heart-touching episodes for me, because I could relate to that fact. Being a father of 2, I also understand that, ek din dur rehna is such a so difficult.
Yeah.
6 weeks staying away from the children, from Gohar.
Yeah.
How challenging was that? Especially in an environment where you're supposed to constantly keep on your toes.
You know the feeling, how it starts. तो मेरे लिए तो था बहुत मुश्किल बिगिनिंग में. It was really hard for me. I was like, my God, it's been 24 hours I've been not talking to Gohar or the kids. It was challenging for me. I think that is the reason I broke down there.
Yes.
And वैसे भी वो मेरे सपने में आ रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा 3-4 दिन से रोज़, और मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था मैं घर पे उठ रहा हूँ. My first week.
हाँ.
So it was really hard for me, and that emotion I always had to keep it to myself. You know, किसको जाके बोलूँ यार हमेशा के भाई बीवी बच्चों की याद आ रही है. How it sounds every time if you go and say, but I kept it in me, and then when this happened, it just came out.
And I think that call was very much needed to
The call was
change
needed.
the game.
The call was 100%. The call was needed, man.
Bilkul. You know, when the initial announcement started coming in, that was Zaid Darbar and Kushal Tandon are going inside this, they are going to stay under the same roof and all. A lot people expected a lot of fireworks, and लोगों ने mentally वो imagine कर लिया था the two of you all charging at each other and stuff like that. But we saw a very mature friendship in the game, so kudos to that. But also one opinion is that why didn't you keep your point very strongly when the traitor's task happened, and why did you he could have murdered somebody else also.
Okay.
It was the semi-finale week.
Yeah.
So close to the finish line. Why did you choose to end your game?
It was very clear, by the way, that we chose that together. And that strategy, only if we trust each other, can happen. There were others also. So, खाई तो मेरे लिए हर जगह थी, because I knew that, I'm the easiest one. People are going to kill me. You have to think like, अगर आपने देखा होगा एपिसोड, क्योंकि मैंने तुरंत निकल के वही देखा सबसे पहला. Where I knew it, वो शायद नहीं दिखाया. मैं जैसे ट्रेटर की बात निकली वो गेम की, so I connected all the dots. I understood I'm the easiest. Because I've been loved from both.
Correct.
तो मैं वहाँ समझ चुका था, and मैं जब भी टेबल पे भी बैठा था, I was just telling myself that dude, you're gone. So at least if you know that you're going to go, rather than making sure that आपके साथ जो है, आपके साथ जिसने आपके साथ मदद की है एस बनने के टाइम, टॉकिंग अबाउट कुशाल, एंड उसने बहुत किया यार, मतलब और खुला किया उसने. ऐसा कोई करता नहीं है जनरली. उसके रीजंस होंगे, but it helped us also.
Absolutely. When you joined Hunters and the youngsters were up, the young team जब बना था, I thought that time Zaid was at its best potential in the game. Everybody valued you for what you brought to the table. उसके पहले did you ever feel that you were undervalued, or kind of people underestimated you also? Like when it came to decision making, there were 2-3 people who were doing that and passing it on to others and then influencing the others?
It was very easy for me to understand that part. I'll tell you how.
Okay.
Is because it was the first week when you talk about legends. It was the first week where I had to understand people first.
Yeah.
Rather than starting to strategize everything. I understood one thing, that people are using their brains, yes, but I need to understand people. That's the most important for me. तो मुझे ये बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ रहा था कि ये स्ट्रैटेजी शुरू हो गई है, आप सीखो अभी, ये आपका सीखने का टाइम है, पर आप जिसमें बेस्ट हो उसको आप मतलब फाड़ दो. So I was ready with my strategies also, but being the human I am, I was just good to everybody and I didn't want to speak up when they were speaking. Nothing else.
Acha.
But
And
with
the
the
fight
kids,
with
it was.
Daisy?
But with, I wouldn't say the kids, but they're all smart, man.
Right.
100%. They all are smart. They're very smart. They all know what's happening, what's going on. It was fun with them. So when there's fun, then you can talk. You can say whatever you want. है ना? तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा फीलिंग अलग थी और यहाँ पे फीलिंग अलग थी. दोनों भी सही फीलिंग थी बट मेरे लिए.
बिल्कुल. The fight with Daisy is sorted.
What is the fight? I don't understand.
बाहर जो दिखा वो ये था कि they entered together, as an alliance, and then they fought because you were apparently upset with her for not speaking up so much, or not taking a stand particularly for that matter.
I think मैंने जो सुना है बस यही सुना कि डेजी ने क्योंकि मुझे बोला कि मैं शोज नहीं देखने वाली हूँ.
हाँ.
तो मैं उनको ये बोलूँगा कि आप शोज देखो थोड़ा, तो शायद आपको पता चलेगा मैंने क्या किया है. तो आई डोंट वांट टू से कि मैंने आपके लिए बहुत कुछ कर दिया, आपने मेरे लिए कर दिया. नथिंग लाइक दैट यार. वी आर फ्रेंड्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. और आई थिंक दोस्ती की जो बातें होती है वो दोस्ती तक रखनी चाहिए. वो बाहर के लिए नहीं होती है.
करेक्ट.
है ना? अगर घर में भी हुई तो हमारा घर था, वो हेडक्वार्टर्स हमारा घर था, तो अगर वो हमने उसे घर माने तो घर में बातें हो रही है. अब उसे बाहर लेके आके ये बातें है ना करना इज पर्सनल देन. सो आई फील दैट ऐसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है, तो व्हाई डू यू वांट टू टेक इट अहेड?
बट इट्स ऑल इन द गेम.
Yeah, it's all in the game ना. आप आउटसाइड निकले हो, आप बाहर डन. Friends, bro. We are friends in so long.
Well, on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Lots of love to the little ones.
And yours also.